Welcome to Carl's Car Wash.
Once I bulldoze this, we'll be able to open the new... Ooh, wonderful! It's lunchtime! Hi, Dharma! Can you grab my lunch for me? It's just on the table over there.
Here you go! Catch!
Goodness me! My bulldozer ate my lunch! I can't very well finish the last job of the whole project with a messy bulldozer. I'll need to head over to Carl's Car Wash right away.
Oh, I'm tired of pushing dirt. I don't even remember why I'm doing it. Who could that be?
Hi, Carl.
Bolton? From the construction site? Looks like you're almost done over there. What are you building? I can't figure it out.
Unfortunately, I can't tell you, Carl. It's top secret.
Oh, man, it's driving me crazy. I gotta know.
Well, lucky for you, it's almost opening day. Make sure to stop by and see it.
Oh, I will! I will! Excuse me. What I meant to say was, how may I help you?
As you can see, I'm sitting in filth.
I do see. You've come to the right place. Okay, now, let's get started. What kind of vehicle are you driving? Is the vehicle a bulldozer, a digger, or a cement mixer? That's it! A bulldozer! Now, let's see how messy it is. Is it a little messy, medium messy, or super-duper messy? I'd say it's a little messy. Let me see what kind of mess this is. That actually smells pretty yummy. That reminds me, I'm hungry. Is it funky-smelling fungus, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or stinky sardines? Ugh. That's it! It's a nice sticky peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And finally, what size is this vehicle? Is it normal-sized, or is it big? Oh, it's big, all right.
Incredible!
That'll be 11 tokens, Bolton.
Fantastic! I'll do some fancy math and drop them in by fives. 5, 10, plus one more equals 11. I'm heading in. I can't tell you how much better I look and feel.
Terrific! Well, thanks for coming.
No problem. Enjoy pushing that dirt around. Are you making a garden?
Wish I could tell you, Bolton, but it's top secret.
Okay, Carl. See you at the opening day. Bye!